Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I discussed the parts of lathe machine in detail. So I request you can watch my complete video. In this video, I discussed all the parts of lathe machine in detail. So request you that you can watch the video in detail. And if you don't subscribe my channel NW Skill, please subscribe it and press the bell icon that you will never miss the latest video. Okay, let's start our video. Today video I want to discuss the parts of lathe machine. So please watch the complete video, and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for the latest video. In this channel NW Skill, I share you the different uh, types of working on lathe machine. So please subscribe this channel for the latest video. Okay, and today video I discuss the parts of lathe machines. So this is very interesting video. In this video you can learn all the first of CNC machine or lathe machine. Okay, so let's start our video. So the first part of lathe machine is headstock. Here you can see this is the headstock of lathe machine. Okay, and this is the very important point of lathe machine. So the another one is spindle and jock. So these two is the spindle and jock. This is the spindle and this is the jock of a lathe machine. So the third one is tool post. This is the tool post. You can see in the picture clearly. So this is the tool post. The fourth one is compound reset. So this is the compound reset. You can see this is the compound reset. Okay, the another one is cross slide. So this is the cross slides. Okay, this is the cross slide. So the another one is uh, sadly. So this is the sadly. This is the sadly. This is the part name is sadly. Okay, so the another one part here you can see this is the tail stock. This part of the lathe machine is tail stock. So the main part of this lathe machine is hand wheel. In this hand wheel you can move the lathe machine parts to make a different jobs on this lathe machine. So this is the guide ways. You can see this is the guide ways, and another one is bed. This is the bed portion. Okay, you can see this is the bed portion. The another one is feed rod. So this is the feed rod. Okay, so this is the leg of lathe machine, and this is the apron. This is the apron parts of lathe machine, and this is the carriage. This is the carriage of lathe machine carriage. Okay, and this part name is chief fan. Okay, so these are all the lathe machine parts. So I discussed these parts in this video. So this is very important for the mechanical engineering And to if you want to know this all parts in detail, so please subscribe the NW channel for the more detail. And this picture is made by the mechanicalengineering.com. Okay, so um, I want to discuss this parts in detail. So you can see this the lathe machine and CNC machine. Okay, and these are the parts of this machine. And this lathe machine you can make different types of jobs and different types of work you can do on this machine. So I recommend you, if you have a mechanical engineer, so you can know all about these parts and you learn about the practical work on this lathe machine. Okay, so in this video I discuss this all in detail. So for more video please subscribe my channel and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon that you will never miss the latest video. Okay, in another video I discuss this all part on detail. So please wait for the part 2 of this video. And next tutorial I discuss these all in detail. Thank you so much.